In this episode, we look at lines of latitude and longitude. In this lesson, you will define and use correctly the following concepts: latitude, longitude, grid system, and hemisphere. Describe the characteristics of lines of latitude and longitude based on observations of maps and globes. Examine maps and globes and name the major lines of latitude and longitude. Background information. Latitude and longitude are a system of lines used to describe the location of any place on Earth. Engage, and we're asked here to help a tourist to find his way. Could you help the tourist find his way? What information would you need to assist him? And of course, you're going to need the latitude and the longitude of the place that he's trying to find. Although these are only imaginary lines, they appear on maps and globes as if they actually existed. Latitude is an invisible horizontal line that runs around the Earth from east to west. It begins at the equator, where its coordinates are 0 degrees. The equator divides the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres. Longitude is the invisible vertical line that runs around the Earth from north to south. The prime meridian is where its coordinates are 0 degrees. Longitude divides the globe into the eastern and western hemispheres along the prime meridian. Explore. You could use a grid reference system to assist you. Grid references. A grid of squares helps the map reader to locate a place. The vertical lines are called eastings. They are numbered. The numbers increase to the east. The horizontal lines are called northings, as the numbers increase in a northerly direction. Now, things to remember. When you give a grid reference, always give the eastings first. Along the corridor and up the stairs. Remember, always do along the corridor and then up the stairs. 4-figure grid references can be used to pinpoint a location within a square. To find the number of the square, 1. Start at the left-hand side of the map and go to the east until you get to the bottom left-hand corner of the square you want. Write this number down. 2. Move north until you get to the square you want. Look at the number of this grid line and add it to the 2-digit number you already have. This is your 4-figure grid reference. In this case, the tourist information office is in grid square 4733. He would have gone to 47 and then 33. That square would have had the information office that the tourist was trying to find. Let's wrap up now. It says, use the grid below to answer the following questions. So the dog is located at C4. You notice we go all the way over, we look and we see that we have 4 going across, and down we have the C. Where is the frog located? And that would be at 5A or A5. Then we have, where is the chicken located? I see 2 and it intersects with D, so that would be, based on the reference they're using, with the letter first, that would be D2. What is located at E1? E1, that appears to be a cow based on the picture I have here. It's not printed really properly, but that looks like a cow. And what is located at B3? So B3, that looks like a pig. Alright guys, so in this episode we looked at using lines of latitude and longitude to locate specific places. If I can find it, I'm going to leave a link in the description below to a video that will give you more information about locating places using lines of latitude and longitude. Always remember that we look for the latitude first and then the longitude. Alright guys, take care. See you in the next episode.